Hi friends, good morning. Welcome to our next tutorial on Core Java. In Core Java, we are in a group of iterating statements. So in that, we'll discuss already about the for loop and while loop. Today in this tutorial, we'll concentrate on do while. So we'll concentrate on do while. So what is do while? How it can be that we can concentrate here. So do while. So do while. So what is this do while loop? So do while loop is it can be executed statements multiple times. A do while loop has to be used when we do not know exact number of iterations. So this is also we can use when we do not know the number of iterations. And what is the syntax for this? So for the syntax of this is here do some statement, then so if it is a statement is executed, then it will close, while if that statement is not executed, then it should be here, while in this here it's a condition. Condition can be executed like this. So this is the way we can do this. So how this can happen, we can see here now programmatically. Now I'm creating one program for this. So that is on the name of do while. So I'm creating one new Java project on name of do while. So do while demo. I'm giving you this as do while demo. Project as creating this. Once the project has created, as usually we can create one package and one class. Then we can start our program here. So where is that do while? Here it is. So I'm closing this. Just a minute, it's Eclipse as struct. Okay, do while in this I'm opening this here in src. I'm creating one package. So the package name is com.AndroIndian. Then I'll create one class. That class is first package com.AndroIndian. Finish. Then within this I'm creating one new class that is com.AndroIndian. So along with that I want to class is the do while demo. So the class is created here. Within this class now I'm declaring one int n equal to 9 comma I equal to 1, some value. I'm giving some value to this. Then now do, I'm writing the do condition. So do system dot out dot so println out dot println. So here I want to write some value that is n plus I want to multiply with something, that is multiply plus I, then after this plus equal to, then here plus, that is n into I. So I'm writing this n into I values. So then after this, here I want to write I plus plus. So I want to increase the value. Then if that condition is not satisfied, then I will write here while, means this will be executed until I less than or equal to 10. Up to that it can be executed like this. I'm writing this. So now I'm running this program. So I'm running this. See here, you can see the output of this program. Same, it's a table of 9 table like this. Means that you can write in a multiple cases. This we can write in this. So for this also there are some rules. Specifying a condition do while loop is mandatory, and it should be Boolean type. So that rule should be mandatory. It should be specifying. And specifying of braces is optional. Even without these braces also we can execute the program. If we don't specify the braces, then we must specify exactly only one statement. If we not consider multiple statements, then specifying of brace is mandatory. Within the braces we can specify the number of statements. So that number of statements we can write within the set. Thank you for watching this. Please subscribe to get more updates. Thank you.